Yo, what's up everybody? In this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can fix your upload failed on Instagram. So if you're trying to upload something on your Instagram and it just does not upload and it says upload fail, or like at the middle of the upload, it stops loading and it pauses at a certain time and it doesn't move forward. Well, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can fix that. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, want to step then, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's move on. The first reason could be your internet connection is slow. So if you're trying to upload a photo, video, something and your internet is really slow, then it's gonna say upload failed due to slow internet connection. So make sure internet connection is fast. For that, you can go on your search engine. You can search for internet speed test and you can choose whichever you want. I like to go with Ookla. Once you're over here, click and go and get your internet speed checked. So my internet is on 63 Mbps, which is fast enough to upload any photo and video. So if your internet is lower than 5 Mbps, then it's slow. Make sure it's at least more than 5 Mbps per second. Then your photo should be uploaded. If it is not, then that's the reason. The other thing could be if Instagram is offline. By that, I mean, let's say like Instagram is undergoing some maintenance. When they are going maintenance, their servers are going to be offline. In that case, your photos and videos not going to be, uploaded. If that's the case, you can, call your friends and ask them if their Instagram is working properly or not. If their Instagram is working properly and yours not, then basically their servers are not offline. But if both of your Instagram is not working properly, then basically the servers might be online. All right. And the other thing could be, let's say you're uploading a photo or video in Instagram and you just close Instagram like this. If you do that, then sometimes your upload fails. Most of the time it doesn't hampers, but sometimes basically just closing Instagram like this is gonna make you say upload fail. So make sure to turn on your Instagram. Even if you want to swipe out, make sure Instagram is running on the background like this. Just do not close it. All right, it might say upload fail. Another time, just make sure to restart your phone, switch off your phone, turn it on again. It should be fixed. And the other time, just delete your Instagram, reinstall it again, and it should work. Sometimes due to some kind of bug, it says that issue. So once you delete your Instagram, you go on App Store and you search for Instagram over here. After you search for Instagram, if it says update, you need to update it. If it says open, you can just make sure that your Instagram is up to date. Just make sure Instagram is up to date. After doing that, it should be fixed. So these are the way on how you guys can fix upload failed on Instagram. If you found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel once a step. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.